it going. Right, just going to change a processor on a Dell Inspiron, no Dimension. Right, we're going to get these green bits out. Number one. Number two. I have to use a screwdriver to lever this bit out here. Not ideal, but that's the heatsink gone. What I'm going to do now is remove this thing, take out the processor. Right, that's a Pentium 4 processor, and we're going to replace it with one I hope that works. This motherboard is not going anywhere, it's totally dead. Other things is not going to do anything, but we have to try. As simple as that. I'm not going to put them back in a minute, just now. I just want to see if it will fire up. If it will fire up, then we're getting further than we did before. Graphics. Let's try it with the old graphics. Graphics. That's old PCI Express I just tried. PCI, I mean, not PCI Express. Light power. Now power. Let's see if it'll fire up. Let's see. Do we have anything on the screen? Yes, we have screen up there. So it was the processor. Wicked. So we're back to square one now. I'm going to shut it off now. Back down here. Switch off, and that's all I need to do. I just need to go back in there and put those green bits back in. So, one Duff processor, don't work. That goes on the top, so that one's going to go in like so. You see they're spring loaded. See? So that teeth there picks up on what it needs to pick up on. So I'll put that in the opposite way and just push it down. Voila! Well, not quite voila. It's got to be in there. It's got to be in the slot. There. Need to get a screwdriver to screw back some resistance. It's not actually in this, nor is that one. Right, that one's in and that one's in. You heard them clicks? That's not enough dust to worry about there. Right, processor change. Simple as that. Computer Wizards tutorial again. Okay, that's it.